Hi everybody.
Hi. This is a speciality for Jamaishosti.
Okay.
Yes, that's on Wednesday. This is Bhapa Chingri.
Okay. And fast.
If you don't have a microwave, you can use a double boiler. That steamer is a double boiler only.
Okay.
But I'm going to use it in the microwave. Of posto, that is khaskhas, poppy seeds. Then 1 tablespoon of white mustard seed and 1 tablespoon of white black mustard seeds.
Okay.
So I ground it up. Yes, ground it up nicely. There are 2 tablespoons of curd in it. I put a little salt in it, a little sugar in it, and I ground 1 green chili along with it.
So in a mixie, just
yes,
need to grind it.
I had marinated the prawns with salt and a little bit of turmeric.
So prawns were marinated with salt and turmeric, and we're adding this paste.
We are adding this paste. I'm going to use coconut milk for it.
Okay.
If you have coconut, please use the coconut.
Fresh.
Add your mustard oil. Mix it up nicely, and I'm just putting a few green chilies. Now this will go into the micro.
So now this goes into the micro for 5
minutes.
So this is the final dish. This is how it looks. Chingri bhapa, right?
Yes.
Super nice, yummy and tasty. You can see the consistency. And if you have a microwave, this goes very fast, or a steamer. So basically you can see it doesn't take much time. So this is also a dish, I think 5 to 7 minutes.
Yes.
If you are ready with the ingredients.
Yes. It will take maximum 7 minutes.
It's around 7 minutes. So you just have to have your ingredients ready. And there was no chopping, etc. So it's really fast and tasty dish. Hey guys, we hope you liked today's recipe. Please subscribe. Let us know how you like the recipe and tell us what more you'd like to see. We're trying very hard to make a few of those dishes and share with you the ones which are easy to make, fast and very tasty.